What's going on? JakeOfALL here. I know it's been a while, had a lot going on, but I'm trying to get back to the things. And I got something in the mail from Cooper Customs, so take a look at this. A Christmas card. Thanks, Cooper. All right, that's it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It's even cooler. So check this out. This is a typical one of his mounts that he's adapted the ToughBuilt ClipTech clips, right? So he makes the cup holders, tool holders, hangers, all that. And he went ahead and he did one for the ClipTech. So let me put this on here, and I'm gonna put it on the faster way. Flathead screwdriver. We put it up in there and we pry that bar down, right? Now I have all these loose. To get to the hardware, we do still need Allen wrenches. We're gonna go up high. That's it. Now, this switch is in the way of my door every time I walk out. So now this can mount. It's out of the way of my door, and it uses the stock ToughBuilt ClipTech parts. So there you go. It's pretty simple. It works as always from Cooper, and they're seriously built. As you can see, it's pretty nice. And it's from Cooper Customs. Thanks, Cooper. You have a Merry Christmas too. See y'all.